Congratulations, congratulations.
On what?
Yeah.
On your wedding.
Yeah.
On your wedding.
I want to immediately get into that. How expensive was the wedding, guys?
Next
How
question.
detailed?
Because I know there were batches of invitation because Govind and I got the last batch.
What? ये आपको
So this
आपको
is
लग
the
रहा है
thing.
ये हमने सोचा नहीं?
Yeah. No.
Let's just say Masaba doesn't need me.
So now everyone gets what it is.
It's
Don't look at
true.
the upward motion. Look at the downward motion. If you're looking to collab, contact us.
20 years after marriage also you're like, come on, we are married. Like, brand, come here.
Old age home, reach out.
Why are you judging, bro? After you laughed at my shit.
Give it up for Shrija Chaturvedi and Aman Jodwani.
Give it up for them one more time, guys.
Wow, suddenly energy changed.
Yeah.
Guys, what the fuck? We were sitting here all this while.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Welcome,
What's
welcome.
up?
Congratulations,
Hello.
congratulations.
Thank you.
On your wedding.
what?
Yeah.
On your wedding.
Yeah.
On your wedding, guys.
Government approved couple, guys.
Government
It's going
approved,
great.
Yeah.
This is the first time we're meeting officially on camera.
Yes.
You guys got married.
This is
Amazing.
also the first time we will be talking about our spending habits. Yeah.
That's
it's high
true.
time we had that.
I'm very
discussion, I
excited.
feel.
Everything has changed.
I'm very
That
excited.
I want to immediately get into that.
Okay.
You want to immediately? Oh,
I want to
okay,
immediately get into
okay.
that. How expensive was the wedding, guys?
Oh man, how
Next question.
detailed do you want?
Okay, how... No, I don't have another question. I
It
tried
was,
to rephrase it.
let's just say it was a Mumbai wedding
Yes,
in peak season.
in peak season.
So,
That's
nice.
like, there is a lower limit to that.
Uh-huh.
Little more than
We were
that.
not there.
It's Mumbai.
You know, yeah.
Actually, it's purely Mumbai. We were very tactful with our
Yeah.
what we added to the
Yeah,
wedding,
yeah.
and we really like she.
But
Tactful, tasteful.
Tasteful.
Yeah.
but is a wedding outside of Mumbai like a destination which is Lonavala
depends on-
only?
Haan.
But
Yeah.
are those cheaper?
That's what we actually were discussing this at
if
the
you
beginning.
don't like your relatives that much,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
it becomes cheaper,
yeah,
right? You
yeah.
just don't fly them in.
Yeah.
Fly to
ये वो तो
Lonavala?
मैंने कंसिडर भी नहीं किया था कि भाई हम किसी को फ्लाई इन करेंगे
Yeah.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ एंड माई पेरेंट्स बाकी सब अपने खर्चे पे ही आएंगे बट इट्स जस्ट लगिंग एवरीथिंग देयर प्लस स्टे कॉस्ट वुड हैव इंक्रीज्ड लिटिल बिट
That's true. You only pay, na? Of course you only pay.
या
for-
स्टे के
Yeah.
लिए
Who else
थोड़ा
would pay?
देना पड़ता है
मुंबई में वो नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You can just directly.
या
don't
बट
like
एक्चुअली
these-
दैट वाज नॉट ट्रू फॉर हिम क्योंकि ये थाने से आया था so they had to book full stay
Yeah,
so I saved money on that
yeah. Early on, there was a conversation where can we do one event in Thane? And Shrija was like, can we not?
No, that's not true. That's not true. We went to see venues.
Yeah.
And then I was like, hey, इधर कोई venue ठीक नहीं लग रहा है मुझे हमारी शादी लायक.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah. In fact, probably if we did Lonavala, लग रहा है इसको stay नहीं लेना पड़ता.
थाने से आके वापस घर आ जाओ.
वो बीच में कपड़े चेंज करने जा सकता है.
I mean, you actually had to pay. I mean, get stay, no?
Yeah.
थाने इतना दूर नहीं है यार कि.
But it's like 2 days of events, so you have to be
Yeah.
nearby and like obviously older people. I hate explaining this to single people, man. Just like, yeah,
अब
just.
शादी क्या हो गई? बहुत कॉकी हो गया.
Yeah,
क्या
right.
2 महीने
If
भी
you
नहीं हुए.
remember,
अबे
if you
2 महीने हो
remember,
गए.
last time I came here,
ये
I was
मुझे
also
भी
cocky.
एटीट्यूड दिखाने लगा है इसको मैरिज का बहुत अकड़ आ
सड़
गई
गया
है अमन को मतलब मुझे भी बोलता रहता है वो ये सब ऐसी बचकानी बातें मत कर I'm a married man now.
Yeah. What's your problem, man?
No, you said it was there's a lower limit.
Yeah.
You guys were a little above that.
Quite above.
I was trying to be, yeah.
Okay.
Looks like they had different weddings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, was it more than you expected it to be? You don't need to
Yes.
say the
Yes,
number,
yes,
obviously.
It
Definitely,
always
definitely.
is.
Yeah, of course it always is, but a lot More.
Yes.
Quite a bit.
Yes.
It's like it was so much more that मतलब like it keeps shooting up because you're just like last moment you realize ओ अच्छा साफे वाले को भी पैसे देने होते हैं क्या ये सब like you don't realize what there is some like new random vendors and all coming.
Also, what is the standard rate
Of
anything?
Oh, of
We
anything.
don't know
yeah.
You
anything.
don't know
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
standard
No
rate of
limit, no
anything.
limit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
so-
don't know anything. Yeah.
Sorry.
So you don't want to mess up by getting a cheaper vendor.
Yeah.
And then everyone has a bad experience. So you're like, but does a higher price guarantee a good vendor?
Does
Answer
it?
is yes.
Oh yes.
Yeah, very, this is his outlook.
That's my outlook.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
always like Aman, like, I think we should just go for the more expensive one. Just
In a
like,
situation where like 200 people who have high expectations are coming, yes.
yeah,
If
just
these two are coming to our place, let's go cheap.
Yeah. Dude, no, but I do have to say this. When I was at the wedding, वो ढोल वाले रहते हैं ना, I saw them ढोल बजा रहे थे वो लोग वो, and I was like पैसे लगेंगे ये लोग के आसपास, तो मैं थोड़ा दूर जाता हूँ. And with me was Joel D'Souza, a comedian only. We were walking. Joel got stuck there between the dhol people, okay, and I took an immediate left turn. I left वहाँ से, and Joel had to pay 500 because he got stuck
yeah,
there.
because they keep playing it around you till you give money.
They play and they look into your eyes कि
Yeah.
क्या भाई?
Now you can't even do कि नहीं cash नहीं है. They have
GP.
a QR
Yeah,
code.
yeah.
They have a QR code.
Yeah. And then if you don't pay, like it is actually quite humiliating कि आसपास अगर कोई दे रहे they immediately leave and go around that person.
Yeah.
Or just left hanging, dancing alone.
And
It's
it's not necessary that they'll ask in rupees also.
What?
Yeah, they can just say, किसके पास है $, and then they'll just try to find someone who's ready with dollars.
What are you talking about?
Because they see the venue, they see like, okay, some fucking guy wants
Might
to
have
show off
dollars,
their
yeah.
wealth. We want to be there.
If they got किसके पास है Singaporean dollars? They just
Yes,
keep
yes.
getting specific.
yeah. किसके
Yes.
पास है FD 7.25% वाली.
छोड़ दो. But okay, for the flowers, I think that is a very expensive thing. ना the stage का वो
Flowers,
flower और
decoration.
सब.
Yes, it's a whole thing where it's like अगर अब like मैं ऐसे बहुत उसमें गई कि I just want to use fresh flowers.
Of course.
Obviously. And they're just like मतलब हर कोई उधर like आपकी अकड़ तोड़ने में ही लगा रहता है कि हाँ मैम तो उसका बहुत एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा. I was like तो 40% फ्रेश फ्लावर्स यूज करिएगा बट फ्रेश होने चाहिए उधर, समझे आप?
Yeah. Every decision of like aesthetic or like taste that you have carries a price now.
Carries a price.
Right. So, like for example, I had this thing because we used to travel in auto so much. Ki I will bring the barat in an auto.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
More expensive than horse.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You have to rent an auto.
Oh fuck! For the whole day.
And then you're like, okay, chalo, auto is there, great. Obviously, you are not driving it.
Yeah.
The driver. Okay, cool. Now you need flowers for the auto also, right? It can't be just an auto.
Yeah. And it looks like you've come to your wedding in an auto.
वो OTP मांग रहा है.
It has to look like it was a idea and not like
Yeah, like it was an
Not
art
necessity.
installation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
right. But it was fun because I came in an auto when the Bharat was not moving. I was like, honk, honker. All that was fun. Yeah.
But that was more expensive than a horse, no? But
Yeah. Also,
Did
horse
some-
had all these things of it's an animal. You don't want
True.
to bother a horse.
true. You can.
Although I
bother
don't know
them.
what the horse was doing. Maybe it was doing something worse, and we were calling it for something chill.
Oh, that's actually true, man.
Who
Wait,
knows?
Did the rickshaw guy drop someone after?
Sorry for taking it that direction.
Did the same rickshaw guy drop someone?
Yeah, did he
after?
get like a passenger after the
Yeah,
wedding?
then he
Fool
waited
वाला.
after. He waited for us कि आपको लेकर जाए.
Were there any things when you were planning the wedding which some, like one of you really wanted, another one just did not understand? Why are we paying so much
Let
money
me
on
tell
this?
you the list.
Okay.
Oh, Shanga. Like,
You wanna write it down?
That's not enough.
I think we have, what did we I think all conversations was just like I'm like I think इसको हम लोग इस पे थोड़ा कम पैसे खर्च करते हैं most tight. Like it's like when you go for decor, they give an Excel sheet which has like 12-15 items.
Yeah.
Okay, और मैं like हर item पे sir इसको कम कीजिए इसको he's feeling uncomfortable with this. Okay, he's getting like increasingly like. It's
Now
like
also.
giving the like doing. ठीक है
Barely
यार.
controlling my rage.
Just screen रहने दे यार उधर हम से screen क्यों चाहिए मतलब like it's just like literally भाई जब DJ 5,000 में आ सकता है
कौन सा डीजे 5,000 में आता है?
Exactly.
ठीक है मुझे ऐसा लगा
No,
था
now you see where she starts. Now you see? She's
Yeah.
not telling you where she starts. So everything I say looks obscene.
yeah after a point it's just let me negotiate with him like
Yeah.
if he and then Aman doesn't
And then we
negotiate
hired a
Yeah.
person.
But DJ, did you think 5,000 में
okay 5,000 नहीं
फोन से ही बजाएगा वो और क्या करेगा वो?
मुझे लगा कि आ जाएगा 10-15 में आ
बढ़े जा रहा है. This is how it got inflated.
10-15
That's how you start. You
से-
start with 5K and then you settle at like 10-15.
So, but there were people जो मुझे उकसा भी रहे थे. Like, and then every time Aman would get the pricing of any vendor, I would call our venue guy. And I'd be like, sir, अमन कह रहा है कि इसके लिए इतना लगे है, इतना लगता है क्या? और फिर वो मुझे उकसाता नहीं इतना तो कभी नहीं लगता है मैडम. हम अभी मैं कब से मैं 20 साल से शादियाँ कर रहा हूँ.
अमन ने कितनी शादियाँ की है बताओ?
No. There is nuance here, okay? And the nuance costs money. The venue guy wants to push his vendor. And his vendor is at a more competitive rate than the great
Yeah.
guy that I found.
The great guy, yeah.
The great
but he was
guy.
great. Yes, he was
But he was great.
Politics.
There's mafia, dude, there's
बहुत
wedding
अच्छा था,
mafia.
बहुत अच्छा था.
Yeah, everyone has all this. So once you guys figure your shit out, let's do this podcast then. These
Aman,
people,
who are you saying this to,
no. There is a change that happens. Like genuinely, like you're preparing, like,
Huh.
and then 2 days later, once the wedding is done, none of your old clothes fit. Like I'm, like
Oh.
you gain weight
Yeah.
immediately.
Yeah.
Everything changes.
Yeah.
What
You don't get it.
I really don't. It'll take some time.
Wow, अमन रिक्शा में क्या बैठ गया इससे बहुत अकड़ आ गई.
Akkad nahi hai, guys. This is not akkad. This is just like overwhelming realization of how much money it
Costs.
It really does, yeah.
To be like, oh, ये तो simple है ना? Like इतना तो bare होता है ना यार हम
Yeah.
लोग.
Guys,
And then it's like no, it costs way more.
I
It
would
costs
still-
way more. Sorry?
You should have done a collab, you say.
ये आपको
So this
आपको
is the
लग रहा है
thing.
ये हमने सोचा नहीं था?
Yeah. No.
आपको
Come.
क्या लग रहा है कि हमने सोचा नहीं कि तब
This
अपने
is-
आप को पूरा बेच दे क्या? पूरा बेच दे मैं करने को तैयार हूँ.
Yeah.
But
why
it's
why
so-
auto? I can come on Ather. I
That's
can.
true.
Yeah. But no.
With
You have to maintain some decorum also.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
dude,
Maintain
see, I like तू रिक्शा में like
Yeah.
वहाँ पे जा रहा होगा. Suddenly you're dancing and suddenly you just scream a brand name. Bisleri. And then, isn't that?
We were willing
Yeah.
to do that, but because it's peak season, और ये सारे vendors और brands को भी अपना वट पता होता है. So do you know what's worse than looking for a brand collab? Getting rejected by 10 of them when you ask them, when you tell them, hey, so I have some followers and I can post about this, and like I usually get with these sort of things I get a lot of, and they're just like, oh wow, okay, no, but we don't really do collabs actually, ma'am, we don't do collabs, we'll have
Actually,
to
we
charge
just
you the whole
talked before
price.
you decided to get married.
Yeah, fucking then some brands like actually we just do collabs with like above 1 million or 2 million followers and all. Yeah, it's like अभी मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं collab, तो पूरा पैसा ले लो भाई.
Name. No,
Kami
don't.
1 million
I'm
पहुंचेगी
kidding.
ना.
Don't name.
Save it for the anniversary.
Let's just say Masaba doesn't need me. Even I don't need Masaba.
But like you guys did actually try and get brand collabs. I'm serious. Like, did you?
Yes,
I
Think
yes.
about
don't,
it.
Don't even look at me. Get over it.
Yes. Everywhere. Like with every vendor, I would. So now, like with a lot of lehenga pages are on Instagram. So I would make sure a message on Instagram that hey, what's the price of this? And मुझे शुरू में लगता था कि ये अपने आप, oh my God, Shrija, thank you for approaching us, thank you for involving us in your big day. The only people who have offered me like collabs to do things are social media content creators for wedding. Do you know this is an entire thing?
No, what?
There are teams that makes specifically content for social media for your wedding.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like a lot of those agencies reached out. I'm like, भाई
वो तो पैसे
मेरे
देने
दोस्त
होंगे
सब
ना
आ रहे हैं
उनको?
वो करने के लिए उनको पैसे दो.
So you have to get extra plate for
They
that.
make a separate page of the couple and all, and then they keep uploading there, and you know they make reels.
And
they make
hashtag क्या
friends.
था? हाँ, hashtag क्या था?
क्या hashtag हमारा?
Shriman.
Yeah, we were Shriman Productions,
Yeah.
but we didn't really do a hashtag.
Did you guys also?
We didn't officially do a hashtag or
Yeah,
anything. But
exactly.
we
I
are
don't remember a hashtag.
Yeah,
That's why-
internally it was Shriman.
Yeah, Shri.
Internally,
And
We never launched it,
Why,
yeah.
we never. I'll tell you why we never launched the hashtag.
Hashtag.
Well, because while discussing with the decor guy, we were like कि हमें अपने hashtag का glow sign चाहिए. And I want full Shriman production. ले उसका 50,000 लगा. ले कोई बात नहीं. उधर एक भी sign नहीं चाहिए. एक cardboard का रख दीजिए आप बस उधर.
50,000?
Yeah.
Because I have to customize the glow sign,
And what do
and
you
they
do
don't
after
use it. Yeah. So they were just like, you're happy forever type some generic that they can use elsewhere also.
Yeah.
You all should have kept it for when you have a kid.
Shriman production.
That kid is already expensive. 50,000 rupees. From, oh my God, dude.
Nothing. I have nothing to add to that.
Did you guys have like shadows?
Huh?
Did you guys have shadows at your
Shadows?
wedding?
What
You
is
know the concept
shadows?
of shadows?
Whoa,
We had
what's
lights.
that?
So like wedding planners.
Keep saying, you don't know shadows?
You guys know what I'm talking about? Shadows? At weddings,
just-
people.
All the people who have above 50,000 rupees in their accounts knew shadows.
Anyone in the audience knows shadows?
Yeah. Some do.
What the?
It's a legit thing, and I think it's really helpful.
What is that?
Like make one dedicated person, either your friend or someone from another agency, to like come and whatever you need, maybe alcohol, your vape.
They're basically a personal assistant during the course of your wedding.
Wait, what did she say? Vape. That's a weird thing to assume in a wedding.
Vape, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like, imagine you have your family, your dada dadi, and your
For
mom.
them?
But she's right.
You want to hit it. So what do? Your friends are going to be drinking, partying, chilling somewhere else.
No, they're gonna come and take me with them.
You
It's
just.
not the case for the bride. I feel
Ah.
like the bride is very super involved in all like your rituals and.
Did you want to vape?
Wait, when she's doing rituals, I'm also there. What do you think? What is your idea of marriage? ए, जाके तू उस करके आ. चल वहाँ पे 7 चक्कर मार. मैं बाहर सुट्टा मार के आ रहा हूँ.
ऑटो में मिलता हूँ तेरे को बाहर.
मेरा दोस्त है एक्चुअली मेरे दोस्त है तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी आग है ना पंडित को मैंने बोल दिया
मुझे
जल्दी
कपूर
यहाँ
सूट
थाने
नहीं
जाना
करता.
But you didn't think of shadows, but they might be expensive.
My
right?
friends would be shadows. I feel
Yeah.
like ये तो इतना तो
what
दोस्त
if-
कर
yeah.
सकते हैं.
Yeah,
मतलब.
but like I think like there are dedicated people you can hire.
So like when you hire wedding planners, there
Okay.
are certain people who will come with shadows. So they get assigned like either a bride and groom, and they
Yeah.
each have their individual shadows.
Yeah, like if you
I
want
was
to
the
wait.
best man at my friend's
Got
wedding.
it.
I had a shadow.
You had a shadow.
I had a shadow,
I'm
dude.
the best man.
I'm the best man.
wow
What the
I
hell?
needed assistance.
For what, dude?
What
did-
assistant did he give you?
And she said
Vape.
vapes. I was in charge of vapes
What
and
a
alcohol.
serious you got were given a shadow.
Yeah.
That's not like a friend or anything.
No. Like
A
these are
paid guy.
people who come with the wedding planners.
Yeah.
And their job is to shadow you.
so that's the money we saved that's the money we saved we were actually very confident that we will not need a wedding planner
We were.
Oh,
Yeah.
So
Wait,
you
you
already
had,
a wedding
na?
planner?
yeah so but
3 weeks.
3 weeks prior to we were like we literally thought that everything we'll do ourselves and we were doing great until we realized what else is left
Yeah.
and there was so much
Yeah.
left. I like remember that moment where we were like, okay, so this is done, DJ is done. What else? Your
5,000 rupees, DJ.
yeah.
We got.
Yeah. Advance is paid. 2.5k gone. Okay. And what cartoonist we have hired? Cartoonist is logged, and then like, okay, so the main shit is done, right?
Yeah, cartoonist, DJ,
Cartoonist-
and auto.
Yeah, the main shit is done.
No,
Caricature
no auto.
guy, invitation guy, obviously, फिर और क्या सारे
Yeah,
लोग-
and we just
Aesthetics,
remember.
yeah.
We just had a decorator who came from the venue,
yeah.
and we had these two things, and then we had nothing else, and then you're like, oh, we have to
Yeah.
like get
Actually-
all of these people and somehow make them talk to each other.
Yeah.
So we finally called one. wedding
Actually-
Should have
planner.
made a group.
No, it
It
was
is
just
just
last moment.
decor is like it's not like one thing. Decor is like a whole bunch of like it's a fucking production man. And मतलब और वो मतलब ऐसे crazy type के budgets वगैरह भेज रहे हैं. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं यार. ये क्या
Yeah.
भेज रहे हैं ये लोग?
क्या
ये क्या
भेज रहे हैं?
भेजे जा रहे हैं ये लोग यार पैसा? I'm like कि I thought that the most expensive would be the venue.
Yeah.
Venue
ये
and food, I
venue
assume,
का
yeah.
डबल कॉस्ट भेज दिया इसने मुझे डेकोर
Decor में?
I'm like क्या भाई
क्या?
क्या should we
Yeah, but
quote
it's,
नहीं फिर
At least it's a code. I thought call it off.
no, I think you should have taken that decor वेन्यू के बाहर रोड पे ही कर दो बट खर्चा उतना ही हो जाएगा ना यार या तो
yeah
venue-
and I'm just like saving all these like sustainable decor pages and like you know हमने जो अपने वो यूज़ किए वरमाला उसकी हमने साड़ी बना दी और जो भी सारे वो यूज़ किए पत्ते no there is a page
really?
yes ये सब it's fashion
oh sorry
अपने
Shrija
वरमाला का वो बनाना
I just remembered something on Reddit.
Yeah.
I saw a post of
Yeah.
Shrija, a photo of Shrija on one Insta Celeb Gossip India. I don't know which one of
Yeah,
these.
yeah.
And उसमें
Yeah.
Shrija का photo था wearing
Yeah.
that sari and someone said, "Wow, what a simple look."
yeah
yes.
it
She
fucking
went
became
for-
a thing यार
Yeah.
जो मैं इतने टाइम से क्यूरेट कर रही हूँ जिसके लिए मैंने 15 पिंटरेस्ट बोर्ड्स बनाए हैं
Yeah.
उसको सिंपल बुला रहे हैं it's classy I would set the record straight it's classy
Simply classy.
simply classy it
Yeah,
was yeah
But that simple thing was also because of
specs yeah.
Specs. Is that a like huge thing? Ki people don't wear specs.
it was a big conversation at her house.
Oh,
This
really?
is-
Yeah, not
yeah.
in my.
Oh, they wanted to wear lenses.
The groom's
Yeah,
look.
my bhabhi one day was like, "You're not going to wear your specs, right?" And I was like, I'm thinking, "You're not going to wear your specs, right? You can't wear your specs."
Without
And I'm
specs,
like,
you're like, किससे शादी कर रही हो? कहाँ है? कौन है ये?
Yeah. I'm also encouraging it because I have to go out. I'm like, take off your specs. Just there'll be a guy in front of you, follow.
We'll defake it in the video.
Aman, bride को assistance चाहिए होती है by the way बहुत ज़्यादा.
हाँ, I agree.
Next time get a shadow, I'm telling you.
I'm shadow next time.
श्रीजा सिंपल लुक में मतलब चाहिए रहता है कि वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लुक वालों को चाहिए रहता है
See, simple is what I was going for. I
Yeah.
will and जब ये बात शुरू हुई तो मैं honestly बहुत खुश थी. I was enjoying मैं like ऐसे रोज शादी के अगले दिन मैं भी बैठकर Reddit ही देख रही थी. मैं भी यही सब देख रही थी. I'm like simple और फिर सब सिर्फ simple बोल रहा है. उसके आगे कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे ही नहीं रहे. भाई साले थोड़ा और बोल रेडिएंट रिस्प्लेंडेंट ग्लोइंग ये सब कौन बोले सिर्फ
She's
सिंपल
glowing so simply. Such a simple glow. What a
Yeah. It became from like so like simple, which is where it started.
Yeah.
To इसने तो कुछ मेहनत ही नहीं किया है. ये तो बस अपनी जो पुरानी साड़ी थी वो पहन के आ गई यार.
yes in fact at the wedding one guest actually in my final reception outfit when I came they came up to me and like finally you have put some makeup like you bitch you bloody bitch मैं इधर 2.5 घंटे बैठकर मेकअप लगा रही हूँ you okay you bloody
yeah.
auntie
Yeah. It went from effortless to didn't try. Yeah.
Did you guys like uninvite people to save on Because I know there were batches of invitation because Govind and I got the last batch.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I know for a fact.
Like, I was like, am I a replacement?
No, man.
That's not true. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
As I was saying, the wedding was very expensive.
That's why I was saying cheaper DJ.
We came and we were like, where's the song? There's no song. DJ ही नहीं है.
Man, I didn't know. You're just punching. Like now, because of the DJ, people didn't come. Okay, anyway.
JK,
Let's move on
come
from
on.
this. This is a
Let's move on.
sensitive
Let's
topic,
move on.
man.
Now you're moving to a new house.
Yeah,
Together.
yes,
we
yes.
moved
Sorry,
to a
I
new
would just like to say you guys kept saying कि oh खर्चा नहीं कम किया. Then after your wedding, I saw oh they're in Vietnam. I was like oh of course like of course ये तो हो गई.
Simple
Guys came back,
destination.
Simple
came back.
destination.
Then I was like oh now they're in Australia. Wow, this doesn't look like.
But that was not a wedding.
Next month we're planning Amsterdam.
Yeah. No, it's very new for us that Shrija doesn't have to lie to her parents to leave.
Which I never did. I mean, of course, which like I never did.
Her mom actually watches the show.
My mom is an avid watcher of this show, so like obviously. Go on, yeah.
But moving in, like you guys moved to a new house. No, oh sorry, you were saying something.
No, I forgot.
You-
Basically, we were just very happy that we
Yeah.
can go out, and this
Yeah.
Australia thing was unrelated to the wedding or
No,
honeymoon plan.
I'm just that 50,000 you saved from that hashtag sign really helped you out. Now you're just
Yeah.
traveling.
Yeah, it is actually like it is actually true. It's like कि now we can just go out. हम लोग बाहर चले गए हैं. Any problem? It's not like now it doesn't have to be like an elaborate. Actually ये भी आ रहा है, वो भी हो रहा है. Actually हमारा show है इसलिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं out of town. हमें ये
be-
सब नहीं बोलना
it'd be
पड़ेगा.
Yeah, like
hilarious.
even my parents who live in Thane.
Oh,
Yeah.
what? Oh.
Yeah, so usually when I go there, I've not been living with them for the last 5-6 years now. They're always like, Arey, just stay one more day, go in the morning, don't leave at night. And now they're like, leave! Go! She's alone there!
Yes.
They don't know she's just chilling. She's having fun. She's at Sheetal Bukhara. I'm like, no, she has a show. Yeah.
But the moving in must have also cost.
Yeah.
That's too much money. Man.
That's a lot. Yeah.
That's
Always so many unexpected expenses
Okay.
again. It's like getting married, dude.
No,
It is, yeah, it is. Like I
It's getting
mean,
married.
I'm saying, did you get brands?
Oh, after.
after वो
moving in like fridge, TV.
एक ब्रांड ने नहीं, एक कुछ भी नहीं. मतलब I started posting also with Aman a lot. और मतलब किसी ब्रांड के कानों में जूं तक नहीं रहेंगी. वो अलग बात है.
Right?
There are
Two?
actually 5.
Get your facts straight, sir.
What? Which brands?
Yeah, I mean brand collabs तो मतलब in
नहीं.
general
I meant like for कि
we'll send you this.
हाँ कि couch ले लो, पैसे भी ले लो, couch भी ले लो.
I love how we're measuring the success of this marriage by how many
brand
how many collabs we got.
No, it's just
Yeah.
It's fun to watch when like famous people whoever like in whatever but
Yes.
they get married and like the brand thing helps you get that money
Yeah,
back.
I was actively getting jealous of fucking Shreya and Omkar. Or just like one after the other. They're like, हमारा तो ये भी हो गया है, हमारा वो भी हो गया है, हमें ये वाला collab भी मिल गया. I'm just like, क्या भाई किधर से हो रहा है ये सब यार? And I'm just like, then I started putting more, so I'm getting married. And all.
You're just like guys मैं जमीन पे बैठी हूँ काश एक काउच रहता है यहाँ पर क्या बोलते हो
Fake
for
fit?
length को
We've thought of putting up sketches like this so that like brands approach us for things.
Yeah, but then we were too busy arguing about the DJ.
Yes.
Yeah.
After
ये
the
वाला
wedding.
एक
No.
It continued.
Yeah, I mean
I was right.
He was right. DJ बहुत अच्छा था.
Isn't that the
We never
acceptance
know
of a defeated person?
how the 15,000 वाला DJ would have been. We wouldn't know
We
that.
never know.
We don't know that.
Yeah.
But ये वाला अच्छा था.
ये वाला
ये
Maybe he
वाला.
was the next superstar. You didn't give him a chance.
Yeah, मतलब like I mean really, I mean as per our vendor guy वो भी उतना ही अच्छा था.
Now it's the products.
Let's go.
Okay.
Can we do that again?
Okay. Guys, now it's the products. Yay! Okay, Shrija, okay,
Okay.
now your product is here. What if
So what you brought up about living in, moving
Yeah.
in,
Yeah.
now we're gonna slowly show
Let's
you
go.
the unexpected expenses.
Let's go.
Obviously, there are so many things we can't
The
show.
demons
Yeah.
lying behind our language. Marriage.
Sorry?
कुछ नहीं. कुछ नहीं.
ये काटेंगे ही नहीं हम. सिर्फ ये रखेंगे. इसका रील बनाएंगे हम लोग.
That's the thumbnail. Demons behind our blah, 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 blah. Marriage.
Sorry, can we? What have we got?
I will be showing what Aman spends on.
Oh, okay.
Okay, like कि ये what he thinks worthy of spending on.
Yeah.
ठीक है. फिर अमन दिखाएगा कि मैं कितना अच्छे से spend
अच्छे से,
करती हूँ,
yeah.
ठीक है?
मैं मेरा ही
Reasonable
प्रोडक्ट
spending.
दिखाऊंगा.
हाँ, ठीक है, एक मैं पकड़ना है.
तो ये
It's
अमन
a-
के
it's a
प्रोडक्ट्स
bag.
Yeah. Okay, so this is something.
I'll hold.
Oh, thank you.
This is a great plug for a mic stand. If you're looking to collab, contact us.
Hey, you guys would be the only people who, like, 20 years after marriage also, you're like, come on, we are married. Like, brand, come here.
old age home, reach out.
Yeah, so what is
So 3 or 4 years ago, Aman had a anti-technology phase. Okay, he just like discovered a side of himself where he rejected all technology, and like technology is taking away from us way more than it is giving us. And
This is before AI.
Before AI, भाई AI तो आना शुरू तब नहीं हुआ था ना.
No,
This
AI
is-
was the last thing for me. AI के बाद I hate everything.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. But
Yes.
this started earlier.
This
Yeah.
is this was earlier. This is like he's like upset with Instagram and all. WhatsApp he has rejected.
Yeah.
Arey,
Like, WhatsApp is
I
horrible.
keep trying to get people on Signal.
First year of our dating, he tell me, "Will you join Signal? Let's chat there." I'm like, what the fuck? तेरे को उधर क्यों बात करनी है? Like, उधर ऐसे सेव नहीं होता है डेटा. मैं तेरे को ऐसा क्या छुपा रहा है भाई? हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं यार?
Arey, because when you're talking and some client is expecting something and then you show last scene, okay, you can remove last
Yeah.
scene.
You can remove last
Arey, but that online is there, no?
That also you can remove now.
Yeah, you can remove that.
Arey, I knew those settings. It was
Signal,
So
Signal
he-
is.
But also heard that.
He rejected. Yeah, we want to say something.
No, just that, guys, Signal is better if we know. Then why aren't
He's
people coming
still
on
trying
it?
to pitch Signal, yaar.
I mean,
To
what is
his family and all. कि Signal join कर लो.
It's a good brand club.
Yeah, I guess.
for Signal? A brand
See-
exclusively used by investigative journalists. That's how much importance I gave to our conversation.
Yeah.
It's top secret.
Investigative
Yeah, it's
journalist
top
like
secret.
asked her, and then you're like, "Papa, आप भी आ जाओ." It's too much.
Pocket उधर like ऐसे you know crazy type के stock tips वगैरह देते हैं लोग ऐसे Ponzi schemes वगैरह चलाते हैं ना.
No,
Telegram है.
Telegram.
Oh, Telegram है क्या?
Yeah, so basically
Yeah,
he
so
had
he had
yeah.
anti-technology
So at that
phase.
time he got one analog phone. We don't have that.
My grandmother is using it. She found it very easy to use.
The only other use case for that phone.
I was reducing. So basically, I would have not. I just remembered why I did this. I would have not quit WhatsApp,
Yeah.
but I would have not opened it only because WhatsApp, because Signal. If she's texting, then okay, I have to open Signal. Only one person is on Signal, or girlfriend and family is on Signal.
Yeah.
Then okay, that's the only reason to open it. But WhatsApp, the whole world is there.
Whole world is there.
So I was just like, okay, this is
Yeah.
what matters right now. So I'll do this.
I think I still have it. Like he had a separate number and all.
Yeah.
And like he
Are you
gave
gonna
it
tell
to
the number?
producer. No, I'm just checking if I still have it. I saved it as Aman Analog. I'm just checking if I still have it or
Who
it's
has it
deleted.
now?
My grandmother has it, and if you want to talk to her,
Yeah,
Yeah, it
Aman
was-
Analog, it's there.
yeah, it's to reduce.
Call.
Yeah, so basically
Yeah.
he got that, and then another major use case of our phones is that we record our set.
Yeah.
He got a dictaphone to
Yeah.
record his sets and all.
Aman,
Yeah.
I also have this.
What? I all like recording interviews and
No,
all.
no, he's
यार,
just
ये
bad
सब-
with money.
ये मैंने सिर्फ
I
डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज
use
देखी है. डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में मैंने ये सब देखा है इसमें
तो
play
उसमें
होता
मेरे
है.
गंदे गंदे जोक्स भी रहेंगे ना वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री में ऐड हो सकते हैं.
So, like you know, how all this removal from technology started, it comes from a good place of I want to be more productive. I
Yeah.
don't want to be distracted. I want
Signal,
to have,
I don't think I agree on, but like the rest of it.
you don't care about your data. Fuck that. But dictaphone and all, you open your phone, Instagram is there, chess is there, you get distracted.
Chess
so this
is
was
not
there,
there,
so
yeah.
that
That's such an
Chess.
anti-tech thing to say, dude.
Yeah, that chess. He's distracted by chess.
You
Yeah.
know how chess is there, your calculator is there. It's just,
Since
I
chess
am-
is already on the table, let me.
no, let's finish that. Chess will
No,
come.
let me just show
you
it.
do
Let
you
me
do.
just
Okay,
show
okay,
it,
sure,
yeah?
sure, sure,
ये
sure.
पकड़ना please.
Okay.
He has bloody some 4 textbooks.
oh
Yeah.
my god.
Again,
This.
let me use 2 mics to say this. This problem is different.
Yeah, this is what he's rejecting in his phone. ये phone like online is a technology ये give up. ये we got a bookshelf and now there's no space there on it because ये bloody textbooks रखी हुई है उधर encyclopedias on chess.
Attacking chess for club players improve your skills to overpower your opponent.
No mercy.
Okay, you overpower
Yeah, you
mastering chess defense.
Everything cannot be aggressive.
How
you
do
need
you
to know
play
when to
chess
defend.
violently?
I play chess like addictively. I play like 1 minute matches till like 3 a.m.
Yeah.
If I start and no one is around, I can
Yeah.
just keep doing this. And my rating has never gone over 400. It's very bad.
Does someone play chess here?
400 is bad, I'm telling you.
Oh,
throw it at you, dude.
Plays chess. Wait, what's your what?
ELO rating, हाँ मतलब ELO तो नहीं है हमारा, but whatever chess.com rating. 800 ना?
So
So
that's
you
good,
have
man.
not played one match also. Because 800 is where it starts. You get 400 when you play like a crazy person.
Oh, it goes down.
Yeah, if you lose.
I don't play chess. Oh, if you lose, okay.
Wait.
I don't play
Oh,
chess.
if
so I
you lose,
don't
it
know.
comes to okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay. You have
Yeah,
to
see
maintain
this
800.
mastering chess defense not opened yet.
Not
yet.
even opened yet.
Only attacking
Yes.
right now. There's no defense right
So
now.
this is a thing that I can't get rid of. Like everyone has this phase of guitar, like
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Everyone buys a guitar, but then they leave the guitar.
Yeah.
They give it up. Somehow I'm not able to give up this idea
how long?
that even at this age, maybe I can represent the country. I can't get rid of it.
Yeah, you can, Aman. You
The
can.
oldest grandmaster.
Yeah.
It's like I will join some club for club players.
Yeah, see.
I have all these fantasies when we were traveling outside, like Vietnam or Australia. We went, you know, you walk on some footpath, okay, on some lake. You're walking by the lakeside.
Yeah.
People are playing chess. I'll be like, you know what? Let me challenge chess.
Do you,
Yeah,
do you
these are-
be
this is-
walking
these are-
on the street with your wife and you're thinking
You know,
about defeating
one day on our honeymoon, we are walking by some lake, okay, and उधर कोई वहाँ पर वियतनाम में some old men were only playing some version of उनका version of chess
Yeah.
or something. It turned
Checkers?
out to be Chinese chess or
yeah,
something.
I
like
thought
that.
it's checkers. It was Chinese
Yeah.
chess, which
Oh.
is exactly the same. There are two armies, but the board is different. The pieces
Yeah.
are different.
Oh,
yeah, and
I
then,
was just blown
yeah,
away
and
by
it was
that.
crazy. We stopped there to see for a bit and all.
Yeah, yeah.
And then at the end of the day, or on the third day of our honeymoon, I'm asking Aman, what was the highlight of that? Just loved that chess game we discovered, yaar. That was crazy, yaar. I can't believe. I just cannot believe that we just discovered a new chess game.
Can you believe that? Like everyone knows here, rook, bishop, horse, and then you find out there's a middle area in the board.
There's like lion you can play with.
Yeah.
I don't play chess.
I'll send you the photo. Just insert it.
Yeah.
Here, okay.
Oh, okay,
It's
we'll
a
insert
totally
it.
different chessboard. He won't insert it.
No, we will.
He will.
We
We'll give
will.
him.
But how many of these have you read
Yeah.
properly? Attacking.
Because they're
you've read?
clean. They're all very clean.
Yeah. So that's what. It's a fantasy. I have read 2 chapters of this. I have done. This is 1001 chess exercises. I have done
6 extra also.
plus 6 extra.
Improved 6 puzzles per page. Oh, sorry.
So either way, I have done 1.
Oh, you have,
I have done 1.
1,000 left.
I can show you.
You didn't reach 3 digits, dude. Please just reach 3 digits. Oh, there's a tick mark.
Done 1. And then I got disheartened. But these were on the way already.
Oh, man.
Can you order them all together?
Yeah, so this was also the other thing because obviously this was the time when Gukesh was.
Yeah.
Everyone knows Gukesh.
Yeah.
Gukesh was in the run for being the
We'll put a
world.
photo here.
He was in the run for being the world champion. So I was thought, ki, why not support Chess Base, which is Sagar Shah's company. I don't know who I'm talking to right now.
Go ahead.
Like, guys, you know anything? You don't know Signal? You don't know Chess Base?
Sorry, we are all
Yeah.
young.
No, dude.
Now with this new analog
I'm just strong
personality, a new thing I discovered where
This is much older.
yeah, which is much
But you
older.
discovered after getting married?
No, before
you knew,
only.
okay.
Like, which was the only other person I've seen use this is my Nana. This razor, which is like the single blade razor.
Yeah.
Oh, from the old
Yeah,
times.
Yeah.
जिसमें like you have to like really do it carefully, otherwise it could slit your throat.
Oh, but
So
see,
ye
I
isse-
get the analog part, but you can get a new razor. That is.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
There are no
is how he
screens on a
raises
razor.
it.
How are you getting
You
distracted?
should see the new razors. Gillette is coming out with AI. AI razors. You just put it and then it's like.
So just like everything he wants to do it the longer way.
Yeah. So
It's a very nice razor.
go for it. You can make your jokes and then I will tell you my
Tell
Please,
them.
I'm very curious.
So
jokes,
this happened in the pandemic when everyone had too much time.
And you clearly been using it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been using this for a long
Oh,
time.
then-
This is
oh.
a new one. This is a new one. This. Oh, by the way, if you want to see the brand name, the brand name is very cringe.
Pink Wolf. What?
That's the other one was Hajamat. Okay.
They're
And
cool names.
Hajamat का मेरे पास
Oh, you have it?
ये
Oh my god, he's
Yeah,
got
it's
a
like
shaving
just
kit.
to show you a little bit carefully what the blade looks like.
Oh, no.
What I'm going to show of hers is from the house she has gone into the washroom. I'm just going to look at the desperation over here to show my expenses. क्या कर रही है तू? What are
अबे
you?
blade weight मत दिखा. Oh no, that'll
Why?
be.
What are you doing?
That'll be
Okay,
too much.
You know
That'll
what?
be too much.
There are outside only. There are many.
It's like
The blade.
ये गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर में जिस ब्लेड के साथ वो खेलता है वो वाली ब्लेड ये हमारे घर पे 1000 पड़ी हुई है.
Yeah. So this is the important. Hold on.
So one has what 100 blades, no?
It says plenty. 5 into 10 plus 1 each.
What the fuck does that? Why can't they just say a number?
Yeah, why is there an equation I have to solve?
एक एक्स्ट्रा दिया तुमको हमने.
He knows
Pink
the
Wolf is a great name.
Big
Yeah.
wolf for a razor.
So basically, this was a lockdown kind of
Yeah,
hobby.
yeah.
It was
Hobby?
Yeah, shaving. What do you do it daily or what? I
No,
mean, you should.
shaving you
With this, you should.
But
I've never looked at shaving as a hobby.
I'm not like fuck. I gotta practice more.
You
Gotta
have
be
to with this,
better
otherwise
at-
you die. So this happened in the lockdown,
Yeah.
and it was. This is what we do is called dry shaving. This is called wet shaving. Okay, there is a whole guys. You have to check out this YouTube channel.
It's like anything or anything that's going obsolete, Aman will be the final adopter of it. It will be the finally ये बचा रहेगा. इसको हम बचाएंगे. He buys like lyric books and all.
What if
But only of my favorite bands.
What if he could represent the country one day?
Shaving competition.
Wet shaver number 1. The oldest grandmaster.
But these are so Aman coded products
Yes.
though. Like I'm not
All
surprised
of
by
them.
these products.
It's a theme. It's an entire theme.
Yeah, just
This
nerd. Nerd is the theme.
Hajamat.
Yeah.
I really like this name.
Yeah.
Hana?
Yeah, Hajamat.
Also
is a-
wooden kind of.
Yeah, Hajamat is better than Pink Wolf.
I know,
Wolf
I know.
is.
Yeah.
Hajamat one was more expensive.
Oh
ठीक
fuck.
है.
Okay.
Yeah.
This was
Yeah,
great.
so this was the
This is for
entirety of.
journalists award, सच में.
Yeah, it's actually
Yeah,
for
this is for
journalists.
documentaries and
It's
all
for
when you
when you
record.
want to spy on someone also. It's for when someone like how you are talking to your girlfriend or someone. And
Our mom is watching. we can't say all of this.
so and like I just saw a show where the lead guy records his conversations with his wife.
Okay.
This is happening in a show. I don't do this. If you watch
Oh,
that
I just saw a show where. Yeah.
Yeah, so there he records his conversations and listens to them again to figure out what he could have done better in like defeating her in argument.
Wait, what?
Okay, this really sounds like you're talking about
You're watching this for
yourself.
practice
No,
or what?
it's a show. It's a show.
It's a
Is it
TV
the,
show.
the
Nathan-
studio?
Abey?
Oh!
No, The Curse.
The curse.
The
Yeah,
curse,
yeah,
sorry.
yeah, yeah.
Guys, so we also do a giveaway of the
We
Guest
can
K
give you
products.
plenty of razors.
You're gonna give away my dream of becoming of beating Gukesh.
Who wants a razor? Raise
Hey,
your hand,
please.
we'll just throw it to us.
Single.
Ek, kach. Who wants it?
After you get married, you sell flowers at the back.
Aman talking
shows
about
Shreeja's
Shreeja's products. Let's okay.
So this is gonna be way less crazy.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. It's normal, bhai.
Okay, yeah. No, it's okay.
थोड़ा संभाल के. अमन अब मुझे मैं नीचे से
This is that. What
This
is
is that. So now this is the first time I've moved out. Sorry, you want to?
No. Please continue.
This is the first
The
time.
thing is, when she got it into the house, she was just like, and both of us are like, what? And she just kept it on the table.
Wait.
No, I want to show it.
Okay,
I want to show exactly what you did.
ठीक है.
She kept it on the table and she's like, let me do it for the camera here. So now everyone gets what it is. Don't look at the upward motion. Look at the downward motion.
It's to whisk.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a whisker.
Yeah.
Chas and all?
I couldn't believe it, yeah, that they just simplified the whole like chas making process.
But
Yeah.
they simplified it long back. You know, mixer grinders.
That is different, okay? उस समय मैं थोड़ा वो मिसेस के ससुर जैसी हूँ. अच्छा नहीं लगता है ये मिक्सी में उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स खराब हो जाते हैं.
No, it's being covered by.
They just so ergonomic, yaar. This is insane.
Oh,
I
this
lost
is
my
fun.
mind, yaar.
This
Right?
is fun.
So what you would be doing earlier is you would be taking it. I just
Chuck.
Yeah, you would be doing this, and you would be doing.
Oh, yeah.
That's what the
yeah.
motion
The
is.
wooden
But
one,
now
yeah,
you do.
Yeah, one hand, yeah.
You have to do the head bob also.
It's really यार दो हाथ से एक हाथ का काम कर दिया है यार. This
भाई,
is like
क्या
this
कर दिया है
is
यार?
what technology is.
What brand is
This is totally my kind of technology.
Oh, it's no brand. There is no branding.
No,
That's the best
this
kind of
is-
technology.
It's probably
Must be
नीलम.
cheap, no?
नीलम के ही बर्तन होते हैं usually steel के.
Hey, this is actually very cool.
Okay.
Ah,
I'm
and it's
telling
quick
you
also.
why. Like otherwise, or you would have to like hold the bowl and do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं उसमें थोड़ी है यार.
Just
It's not even
buy.
expensive, I'm assuming. Where did you get it from?
It's from society stores. I visit there. I go there often.
Oh.
मेरा सोसाइटी का है थोड़ा. कल मैं थोड़े कटोरियाँ भी लेकर आई हूँ.
But I like this product. I'm on board with this.
I'm on board.
Yeah, I'm taking this.
Boy,
I'm so on board.
Chal,
This
give
is
away.
mine. This is mine now.
It's a great innovation to a
Yeah.
very daily use technology.
I
So
know.
that's what's good about it.
But I
Yes.
don't make chas, so
No, you can whisk other things also.
Other
I'm
things,
sure.
actually छाछ is main और
Main, so ये
I don't think और कुछ भी होता है इससे। और कोई
Now,
What?
wait, let me just keep
Oh,
all
sure,
of them
sure.
out. I'll just show.
I think cake batter के लिए ये
cake batters?
Yeah, you-
Oh.
It's technically whisking, right?
Do you
but
have
then
the same
ये this works in cake batter. Is it not too thick for cake batter? Okay, guys, stop laughing at
Is
this
it not
gesture.
too
Okay,
thick?
ये लोग हंस रहे हैं.
तुम लोग रुको बाहर.
Auto करा है.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever you're showing us
yeah.
next, I'll move this
Wait,
so that
क्या?
they can
Shreya,
see.
Shreya, when did you start smoking?
That's what.
This is not-
That's what. So I came home one day, and there were what I see 5 ashtrays. It looks like 5 ashtrays.
They look like ashtrays.
To the naked male brain. Okay.
What do you mean look like? I
It's
thought
not.
they were
They
ashtrays.
are not ashtrays.
They
Don't
are-
say what it is.
Trinket trays.
This is
So
a
that's the
concept.
cup. Okay, trinket trays, guys.
Now
what
look
are
at,
you saying?
Look at how she has divided the room.
Divided.
The women are kind of like,
Of course.
You're
and the
getting
guys
it
are
right.
No, but what is a trinket tray?
हाँ?
because you don't know what trinkets are.
What the fuck is trinket?
अभी जैसे अभी मैं रिंग पहनी हूँ अभी मुझे रात में उतारनी है
यार
Trinket ring
कभी
में डालनी
झगड़ा
है।
हुआ तो उतारनी है.
Oh,
एक
yeah,
वरना
झगड़ा
हो सकती है।
देख झगड़ा कोई भी रूम में हो सकता है तो एक रूम में एक trinket tray है.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
हर रूम में है यार
This is also not an ashtray.
This is not
If this is not an ashtray, then I know nothing about anything.
Yeah, this
not
is a
an
proper
ashtray.
ashtray.
Yeah, I thought this is crushing tray.
That's true.
God
It looks like a crushing tray.
So much support for a.
You're so right.
keep quiet okay this is to keep hearing
I thought this is for
necklaces.
This is for crushing, and this is for
And an
ashing.
ashtray, like the whole process.
Yeah. But turns
not.
out
You must
This
have-
is
it's
this
for
is,
garbage.
keep quiet it's not for garbage
It's aesthetic
But
garbage.
Shrija, these must be expensive, no? These look
इस
expensive.
ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है देख
And this
ये
is not a
800 रुपए का
Oh, okay.
I mean,
हाँ, ये
expensive.
800 का है।
For, to keep your earrings.
ये गिफ्ट है ये कप था बट मैंने
कप है?
इसको ट्रिंकेट ट्रे बना
Oh,
दिया
अच्छा. Dude, I have the perfect product which works with this. Can I show you quickly?
यस
Yeah.
प्लीज शो
Bye, Oshan. Oh, fuck. I thought you were leaving.
Are you gonna take out stuff right now?
The perfect
Sure, I'll tell you.
It's weed. Let's just start crushing.
Also, he pulled out a fanny pack. I'm like, he's gonna take out drugs.
What is
So I recently was in market for like coasters, okay, and usually
Yeah.
how I buy things is I just tell like I just start saying coasters, and Instagram shows me
Yeah,
different
yeah,
kind of
yeah.
coasters.
Yeah.
And it showed me.
I'm also coaster paglu oh this is so cute
So
यार
you keep it
Yeah.
and you put the cup.
oh shit
Okay.
यार
Yeah.
अमन
What did you
कुछ
do?
कर रहा है यार
Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it,
Yeah,
but
it's
Turtle
so
put
cute
their hands
यार
up.
it's hugging yeah it's hugging the cup
It brings me so
This
much
too.
joy
yes,
every
me
morning.
too. It's giving me real joy, yeah. That's crazy, yeah.
Oi, गिर जाएगा
Oh, sorry,
trinket tray.
sorry. Yeah.
But okay, Shrija, I think this is an even better ashtray. This is such a good ashtray.
Yeah.
It's
This is like for, like, you know, like this is when you're doing it alone. And this is when everyone comes over.
नहीं, like the thing is, if you ash in this,
Yeah.
दिख
this
जाए गंदा
one,
दिखता है.
नहीं बाहर गिरता है थोड़ा कभी-कभी ash.
The ganda aesthetic वाला नहीं
But you
चलता.
see, this is how the two mindsets are colliding. My mindset is always functional. Her mindset is always aesthetic first.
These are
Aesthetic.
aesthetic.
I
These
don't
are
even
so
understand.
aesthetic. ये
These
देखो
are,
भाई
these are, yeah.
ये देखो इससे एस्थेटिक कुछ देखा है क्या तुम लोग ने कभी
हाँ ये
हाँ ये देखिए
Dude, what is this supposed to be?
दिस इज ये मैं वियतनाम से लाई थी शुड
Yeah.
आई टेल यू वेयर आई हैव गॉट एवरीथिंग
yeah.
If you were
This
on
is
Telegram,
Vietnam.
you would have gotten it at a cheaper rate here.
Yeah, tell us where each thing
Yeah,
is
this
from.
is Vietnam.
That's Vietnam.
This is also Vietnam. ये हमारी
Our-
फ्रेंड सुप्रिया जोशी ने हमें दिया है. This is from Delhi Art. Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I think any girl who's into aesthetics and decor, उसके मुंह से उसका
Or
anthem
guy.
है. Or guy, sure. It's like I picked this up from Delhi Art. I picked this up from.
Is this from Blinkit?
ये US से मेरी friend ने लेकर आई.
US?
कुछ अच्छा ला
भाई
सकती
मेरा
है यार वो।
ashtray Blinkit से यही है दिखता है. My ashtray on Blinkit, it's the same. It looks
It
so
is-
similar.
I
It
think
is
she just
not.
came from US and she bought it here.
From Blinkit.
That's
आजकल
not-
airport में भी Blinkit है.
Yeah.
Yeah, T2
Oh.
में there's Blinkit.
Yeah, yeah.
Has anyone used it?
ये US से है लेकिन.
हाँ ठीक है. Sorry. But has
ये
anyone
US
used
से
the
है.
airport Blinkit?
Like, what's the purpose? Like you're just sitting on your chair and you call
You
for
can just
Diet
call for
Coke.
Blinkit inside the airport.
But how can you
Yeah.
enter the airport without having ticket?
No, they have Blinkit
They have a
inside
dark
the
store
airport.
inside the airport.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think so. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah. No, they
Yeah,
have it.
They do.
No, तो मैं basically ashtray. Sorry,
Yeah.
coming back. It also ties up.
Just stop calling it ashtray.
No. Wait, it
It's
ties.
trinket trays.
It ties with what I also have,
Oh.
which is like I wanted to quit cigarettes. Okay, I wanted to quit smoking cigarettes, but then I couldn't fucking quit smoking.
Right.
So I got a traveling ashtray. One day. This is has anyone
What?
used this? This is wait, I'll show you. This is what I meant. Mental health addiction person.
Firstly, this has nothing to do with my stuff. Okay, it's not the
It's
same
an ashtray.
thing.
Both are ashtrays.
It's not why it is not ashtrays.
It's a portable ashtray. This is like
Right.
घर का ashtray.
Oh, this is. Oh, I thought
Yeah.
कुछ
Sorry?
निकलने वाला.
This was in Shark Tank.
They didn't sponsor it. Why?
Fuck! I paid a non-Shark Tank.
So stupid a product. They didn't
Hey, shut up!
What?
What was the
Exactly.
argument? Why didn't they invest?
भाई इसमें तो कोई trinkets भी नहीं आ सकता है. What a useless product.
I'll tell you, the thing is, I don't
Actually,
like
hearing
to.
वैसे ही pouches में आता है यार.
The thing is, I don't like to litter, but cigarette
Nice.
butts, sometimes I don't know where the fuck to
Yeah.
put them other than just down.
Yeah.
Right, fair.
So this is to keep those buds and घर
That's
पे I'll
so
throw it.
That's
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
It's
That's
great.
sweet.
So you take this on flights, and when
That I don't know yet if I can do.
so where do you use this exactly?
Yeah.
Anywhere outside, like if I smoke right now.
Right.
No, I have this. I have the
Wait. But
Nice. Very nice.
this is not an ashtray. Your completely unrelated product. Please talk about it.
So what you do instead of like in you
Instead of just throwing buds
On
on
the
the
ground. Yeah.
I can keep it in this.
right. So what-
Okay, you're not convinced.
No,
I
no, no.
know,
I'm
but
just curious that you plan to like clean Mumbai like this. Like, what's the end goal here? Like,
जो
is
रास्ते पे भी
yours?
पड़े हैं वो उठा के डाल रहा है इसके अंदर.
कुछ भी सामान डाल रहा हूँ
Yeah.
अंदर.
Yeah, it cleans up like 1 square millimeter of Mumbai. I think
yeah.
इसमें bags कितने 5-6 आएंगे.
It's like this
Does.
whole idea that you are doing your part,
Yeah.
and your part is this much.
No, I don't litter at all. Hey man.
No.
I mean, I didn't know Shark Tank rejected them.
No, no, no. I genuinely love this. I respect the intention, but I want you to let go. I think you can't fix it.
I was trying
basically-
to.
This
Okay.
is the man who's fighting technology.
Yeah. Yeah. No, this is the thing.
I
Should
think-
only the big corporations be allowed to pollute nature? Why not us?
That's true. That's a good point. But
Two
but,
people on my side.
But you know what else I
The
realized?
revolution starts slow.
I also realized I can't can my cigarette completely in this because I tried it and it burnt a little. I was like, I thought this was the point.
So this was just a
basically,
regular pouch.
I have to pura can my cigarette, then I can put it in. You're right. I get it.
But
Did
that
they-
you can just do with any pouch.
Hey, listen, dude.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Where are you doing this?
On the road.
So you could have any bag. How is
Yeah.
the bag different?
Even your pocket.
I'll
you
tell
can
you
put
how
it
it's
in.
different. This came to my house yesterday. That's how it's different. And I have two of these. I stuffed one cigarette inside the other one.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I was just at home. I was like, there are ashtrays. Why am I doing this inside?
You know, my favorite part about this, right before the show started, we were smoking upstairs and he said, put it outside. Right in front of me, he threw it down the building. While showing me the product he's going to bring on the show.
That's because this is the newer one. I forgot to get the older one upstairs. जिसमें मैं डाल रहा हूँ.
No, you don't have to use everything you buy. I think that's the point of this show.
Yeah.
Right?
No,
Yeah.
no,
See,
I use
they
all
say-
of these trinket trays. हर चीज में एक अलग चीज
If I come to your house, I'll also use these for Rash only.
अबे
नहीं,
अरे,
this is-
इधर चाबी वाबी रखने के लिए है
Yeah.
ये.
चाबी और उसके ऊपर रैश थोड़ा सा एक सिगरेट.
just the mind, how the mind works, dude.
What?
Yeah, just instead of you can keep keys anywhere, right?
Yeah.
True.
I mean, there are
No,
key holders specifically.
There are holders.
Yeah.
There are other things that you can like. There's going to be an organizer for like the glasses on the dinner table. We can keep the key there also.
True.
No.
There's going to be
On
a
top of the
TV.
shoe rack.
No, glasses are in the kitchen cabinet, Aman. They are not on the table.
That's
टेबल
something.
पे एक दूसरी ट्रे है जिसमें टिश्यूज रहते हैं
Yeah.
और थोड़े स्ट्रॉस और
Once again, the ambulance is here to take
Ambulance आ
you.
गया already. बाहर.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like the fact that the key goes here. That's
Yes.
No,
it's a
but
learning
see,
curve now.
You just have one place where you keep the key in general, ना घर पे.
Yeah.
Is this the place?
Right.
yes
Could be.
this is not the keys वाला I mean ये मैं
Oh, you didn't get
जनरल वो बता रही हूँ
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ.
कीज का एक सेपरेट बास्केट है उसमें थ्री कीज रहते हैं see there's
Two.
multiple keys there's two keys इसमें ये स्पेसिफिकली मेरी इस रिंग के लिए है। इसमें और कुछ नहीं जाता ये मेरे
Does your ring go in that?
yes of
Yeah.
course
Yeah,
it's
my
sweet
ring was
right
also
Sweet,
there.
it's sweet.
yeah your ring can also go in
Get a
this
different one
Can
for Aman's
also
ring.
go in.
Cat, yeah.
हाँ
Can also.
ये मेरे और अमन के सिर्फ रिंग्स के लिए है, और कुछ नहीं इसमें जा सकता है ये अभी के लिए शो पीस ही है अभी के लिए इसका फिगर आउट नहीं किया है यूज
Isn't this how you make egg coffee?
दिस इज वियतनामीज एग
This is
कॉफी
for
का
this-
वो
Oh,
है
sorry. Yeah, this is nice for like an espresso shot.
या बट दैट्स नॉट व्हाट वी विल डू विद इट
Of course.
One second.
What are we? Normal?
Govindas found the price tag.
Yeah, I know. I've never understood Vietnamese.
We also didn't
60,000 Vietnamese
Yeah,
dollars.
yeah.
that
Dong,
Yeah.
dong.
Dog.
Fuck,
Dog.
sorry.
They wish it was dollars. No, it's dong.
What is it like? What is 1 rupee?
1 rupee was?
basically this 60k
Was a
Vietnamese dollars
Five
is
rupees.
around 300-400
Oh,
rupees.
okay. Not
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
Not
10K,
bad for an ashtray.
So 10k is 150. So 60k is around I think 600.
Guys, maths नहीं करते।
700. yeah.
That's maths नहीं करते.
Yeah,
It's okay. But
Yeah, and then ये
I'm just trying to gauge the audience.
yeah this is
Because I see some mathematicians out there.
so we had asked you guys to write what's a purchase you'll defend forever, but others find stupid. Or just
trinket
mention.
trays.
Or just mention anything funny that you own. Okay, we asked you guys. This is the one I wanted to talk about. Someone said lap dance from a guy in Pattaya.
Oh.
I paid 3,000 rupees for that.
Good
Who got
deal.
3,000 rupees.
You got a lap dance from a guy.
Oh, not worth it. Why?
They were too hot. What did you do anyway? You feel stressed out, na? When someone's so hot dancing in front of you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
My body dysmorphia started acting up. I was like, I want that body. I don't
Oh,
want
like that. You started feeling bad about yourself because it was so hot. Oh.
तो आपने डांस पे फोकस ही नहीं किया
मैं बस उसका abs देख रहा था.
What if he was a shit dancer यार
Yeah.
You could have felt better then Wow यार
But wait, in Pattaya, no?
Yeah.
It was just 3,000 rupees.
1,000 baht.
Yeah, that's 3,000 only. That's it. And just once, how much time did it take? Like, was the whole thing?
15 minutes.
That's a long time. So
You're
it's not.
going next
15
month,
minutes.
no? Take
I'm not
number.
going to Pattaya. And
Take number
what? Where was this? A club?
There was a strip club, yeah.
Okay. Acha, okay, strip club.
So you
only.
went alone?
No, I was with a group of friends. Why would I go alone to a strip club?
But
So
I
like
don't know
some
who you
group-
are.
Usually people do strip club alone. It's not a group activity.
So like
usually.
this he did it for a group or like what?
No, I.
Like did you have to go into a booth or something?
No, my friends were like, you do it, why not?
Huh.
So then we went into a room
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Okay,
And
and they
then your
don't.
Public park. They were.
And then what did your friend like? "Hey, क्या करवा के भी आ गया है? कैसा है?"
They were like, get some action in Thailand. I was like, मुझे HIV के साथ वापस नहीं आना.
मुझे बस रगड़ दो मुझे HIV नहीं चाहिए
दो मत, बस पास इधर तक आ जाओ.
I want to edge with HIV.
I want to edge with it. Very nice.
Oh, there's also this. Someone said don't own yet, but I really wanted.
And was seriously considering getting an electric bike from Harley's.
Hamleys.
What?
To go to work.
to go to work.
Hamleys.
Second, what?
Yeah,
Hamleys.
too expensive to take.
What? एक second. Hamley Davidson.
No,
No, Hamleys is a toy store.
No.
Hamley Davidson is good.
Getting an electric bike from Hamleys to go to work, too expensive to take cab from Prabhadevi to Parel.
Okay, fair.
Yeah, it was a kid's bike, which was like.
Yeah, did you?
And I seriously started considering it because it seemed so fun.
Okay.
Okay.
But is it road legal?
I don't know.
It could be if it's electric.
So, okay, you were in Hamleys.
Yeah.
You are a working professional
Yes.
with no kids.
Why are you judging, bro?
No. Why are you judging, bro? After you laughed at my shit, why are you judging?
He
It's a
has
two-way
earned this.
street, ma'am.
And your bike can't be on that street.
How much?
Order.
How much was it for?
It was 50,000.
50. That's a bike. Get an Ather. Put 50,000 more. I mean, actually, yeah.
50.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like a kid's electric bike.
Okay. Yeah, so you ride that from Prabhadevi to Parel.
I was considering it because my office is 1.5 kilometers away.
Wow.
And is it electric?
Like my office.
No, the bike. No, I know your office is not
Nice.
running on coal. I'm sure.
Yeah, it was electric. I don't
So-
know how it was safe for children also.
Right.
Yeah, because they're not
They're not
planning
going
to
to
work
office.
on that bike.
Yeah.
They're doing it
So
downstairs.
was it like two-wheeler या वो side के दो भी थे?
It was two-wheeler.
Two-wheeler?
But there was one which was like, you would ride it like this, so it was low.
Huh.
It was so low that if there was a car behind me, they would just not see me.
That's why you did not buy it, right?
Yeah, like I think this is for like very rich kids who have like Mannat level houses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go from one room to another.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
to an office.
Why maybe they should keep those at T2. Yeah.
Go to your own
Yeah,
Blinkit
yeah.
store. Fuck, this is a dream.
Instead
Yeah.
of Yuzu bikes, they have these bikes
Yeah,
for Blinkit and airport.
Yeah. Can you become a delivery agent if you have a
Sir,
layover?
gate number 65 तक जा पाएगी?
So I just want to quickly ask, how do you charge this electric bike? So you'll have to charge it, right?
Yeah.
So how did you find that out?
No.
Look, imagine having a parking under your building for this bike. just कि oh ये charge कर रहा हूँ मेरा EV, my EV.
मैडम आपका रेंट एग्रीमेंट कब खत्म हो रहा है?
You should get it if it wasn't this expensive. Okay, someone else.
But sorry,
no,
just
no,
quickly.
Oh, please go ahead. Please ask whatever you want.
Just one more question. We'll be done quickly. What
threw
was
no problem.
was the price the only thing that stopped you?
Oh.
That's crazy to
I would
me.
have gotten it just for fun.
Right.
Just to ride.
Okay, what? How much would you pay for something so ridiculous?
Paid like up to 20, 25.
Nice.
Because it's so fun.
It's
Right.
so fun.
Yeah.
On the road?
Or I would have just gone like around and stuff.
Okay.
It's
Go to a
invest.
tapri, get cigarette.
No, but then you can start. I don't know how to sell this bullshit. The second he said Shark Tank rejected, I was like, this is because usually any brand that Shark Tank goes on Shark Tank, they've written as seen on Shark
Yeah.
Tank. They never say if they rejected.
Yeah.
Them on Shark Tank.
That's true.
As rejected on Shark Tank, but still in the game.
Okay, guys. Okay. That's been the show.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Give
That's
it
what you
up
wanted.
for married couple.
Yes.
Sri Jana Chatur. They always You guys always just shake hands. Aman Jotwani, Hoshang Mehni, keep clapping. Fine, keep clapping. And give it up for Antriksh, our producer. Indifferent is the venue, okay?
Yourself, have fun. See you
My
all
trinket
soon.
trays.
And trinket trays. Shout out
And
trinket
Trinket
trays.
Trays. Okay, bye.
Hello, Srija's mom. Bye bye.